Counting time in Pygame. I want to count time in Pygame when an event occurs. Eve read something in the documentation, but I don't really understand on how to do it. In the documentation you can get time in milliseconds, but it starts counting when the pygame.init is called. I want to count from 0 when the boolean is true. Thanks for your time.
To determine the time that has passed since a certain event, you just measure the time at that event and subtract it from the current time. Here's a working example. I suggest setting a variable to the time in milliseconds whenever boolean is true, and to 0 whenever it is not. Also, this is just a pet peeve of mine, but please don't call a boolean boolean, or a list, or an int, or any variable the type of variable it is. You don't really have to do this.